Boxycharm for March 2019 in the mail. I have not even opened it, and I wanted to just unbox it here with you guys and maybe try a few products out tomorrow. So I'll be coming back and trying a few products out. Ooh. Lovey on Rose. So it looks like this is a rose theme. So the first thing in here, what is this? This is a Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. I love masks and I cannot wait to use this. And I'm kind of curious what it smells like. That smells good. I've gotten a couple other things from Wander Beauty in Boxycharm and they've always been really, really good. Alright, so we got the peel off mask. Ooh, it looks like we've got some brushes here. We've got the Moda Powder and Soft Glow. It says excellent for wet and dry product, waterproof, metallic handle, sturdy aluminum ferrule secures bristles, and professional quality fibers. So it looks like there's a powder brush and a highlighter brush. These are beautiful and they're rose colored. I'm guessing a lot of things in here are rose colored. And that feels so smooth. So I'm excited about that. It says R and L Moda. And then this one would be good for highlighting. That's a nice brush. I do not have a brush like that, so I'm excited. So the two brushes, the Moda brushes. And then we've got an Oryza Beauty, and this looks like some lip gloss. Opaline Top Gloss from Oryza Beauty is a weightless and waterproof lip topper, adding an extra dimension and shimmer to your lips. Layer over your favorite lip color for an impactful lip look or wear alone as subtle gloss. All right. Then we've got, ooh, I love this stuff. I've had one of these before. This is the It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. It comes like that. This is a really, really good mascara. Let's look at the wand real quick. Looks like that. And we've got some kind of palette here. Ooh, I like this. Ooh, very nice. This is a contour palette, highlighter, and blush. I totally needed this. 6 must-have complexion essentials in one travel-friendly palette. The talc-free formula provides seamless blending and flawless application. Sculpt with contour, blush it up, and illuminate with 2 shimmering highlighters. So I'm back the next day. I'm going to try some of these Boxycharm products. The first thing I'm going to try is this Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. And the directions on the back say to smooth on an even layer all over face, avoiding the eye area, wait 10 to 15 minutes for mask to completely dry and slowly peel off from the edges. Lift off can also be used to spot treat around the nose or T-zone area. Let's give it a try. It's very sparkly. I have never used a mask like this, and it smells really good. very sticky. A little bit more right here. All right, so I'm gonna wait 15 minutes and see how it feels in 15 minutes. I'll be right back. All right, it's been 15 minutes and let's see if this thing can peel off. It feels really smooth and dry right now. Oh, here we go. I'm starting to wonder if I put it on thick enough. So this isn't working as good as I expected. I think at this point, I'm going to get a hot washcloth and try to get the rest of it off. It's definitely coming off now. I don't know that I would use this as a peel-off mask more than just, I probably wouldn't try to peel it unless I made a real thick layer, but this bottle will go really quick if you do a thick layer. I mean, I used probably already a third of it. So if I use this, I'll probably use the whole bottle, but I'll probably just use a washcloth to get the rest of it off. My skin feels really nice though. Feels really clean. Okay, now let's try the next product. I'm gonna try to use the brushes. So I'm gonna start with the powder brush, and I put my foundation on already and done my eyebrows, so I'm gonna put some powder on. I'm using the Pretty Vulgar powder. This is the Powder Room Matte About It, and I got this also in a Boxycharm. Ooh, I really like that. It's really, really soft and is much better than my other powder brushes. It doesn't seem to put a lot of product on here and making it look too powdery. So I'm definitely a fan of how this feels. This palette, Cover FX, that came in the box has contour, finishing powder, blush, highlighter, 2 highlighters, and a brightener. But as you can see, and I realized after I started really looking at this, this is medium to deep. And so I think this would be really pretty if you have medium or deep colored skin. But none of these colors will work for me as far as using it as a finishing powder, blush, contour, or even highlighter. So what I'm gonna do is use this on my eyes because I'm so fair skinned. Actually, I'm going to start with this highlighter color as my crease color. You can see as a highlighter that's very dark on my skin. All right, I'm going to use the finishing powder right here to deepen up right under here. I'm going to take a small little brush like that and use the contour at the very edge. and I'm going to use the brightener in this first part right here. All right, we've got to put on the mascara now. So I'm going to use the It Superhero mascara that came in the box. Okay, so that's how the eyelashes look with this new mascara. I really love them. Okay, last but not least, we've got the Oryza Beauty Lip Gloss, and this is in the color Rose Glow. All right, and here we go. Let's see how this works. I think that's beautiful. I'm a fan of this. After I wore it yesterday, I noticed it was a little bit sticky for a while, so you have to let it dry. You know what I forgot to do? Forgot to use this brush. Let's put some highlighter on. Ooh, that is a nice brush. That works much better than my other brush that I have for highlighting. That is one of my favorites too. So I would say the big favorites of this box are these and the mascara. So anyways, friends, thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe and have a wonderful day. Bye.